5 minus 5 equals 0. And 0 times 9 divided by 3, which equals 3. 0 times 3 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one division. Okay, so first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If you do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, and 5 minus 5 times 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 3 is just 15. So 5 minus 15 equals negative 10. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 10.